Little friends, my name is Ariel Heather. Today I am going to take you on a fun adventure to meet all sorts of amazing colors. Ready? Let's go. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's start. Let's say hello to white. White is a calm, peaceful, and pure, just like a clean sheet of paper. Everything looks great against white. It's color of snow, milk, and clouds. Can you think of something white? Maybe a fluffy polar bear. Look out, it's black. Black is mysterious and strong. It is a color of night, of shadows, and even a black cat. Black is also stylish and always look good. It can make other colors pop and shine bright. What is your favorite black thing? Last but not the least, let's say hello to brown. Brown is warm and earthy color. It's color of a chocolate, tree, trunks, and a cuddly bear. Brown makes things of nature like a soil and the woods. Can you think of something brown? Maybe a teddy bear or at least a chocolate bar. Let's meet yellow. Yellow is a sunny and cheerful, just like the sun. It is the color of bananas, school buses, and lemonade. When you see yellow, it's like a big happy smile shining down on you. Yellow is like a sunshine. Oh, let's say hi to green. Green is the color of nature. It is the color of trees, grass, and leaves. Green makes us think of being outside in the fresh air and walking through a beautiful garden. What is your favorite green thing? Maybe a cucumber or a frog. Say hi to pink. Pink is a sweet, soft, and fun. It's the color of cotton candy, bubble gum, and flowers. Pink reminds us of kindness and love. Can you think of something pink? Maybe a cute piglet or a flamingo. And for a purple, purple is a royal and magical like a prince or princess. It's the color of grapes, lavender, flowers, and even a majestic rainbow. Purple makes things feel special and fancy. What is your favorite purple thing? Next, we have red. Red is bold, bright, and full of energy. It is color of juicy apple, a red stop sign, and even a fire truck. Red makes things stand out, and it's a color that loves to say, "Look at me." Red. Time for a blue. Blue is a cool, calm, and peaceful, like the sky on a sunny day, or the ocean. It's the color of the deep sea and even blueberries. When you see blue, it feels like a nice, quiet afternoon. I like blues. Okay, dear kids, it's time to goodbye for now. Keep shining with the all colors of the rainbow. Remember, next time you see a color, you will know what is called and what is represent. Colors are everywhere, and each one has its own speciality. I meet you in the next educational video. So until goodbye.